Secrets of success on Fiverr. There's a few things you really need to keep in mind to put your business on Fiverr to the next level. First off, positive rating. Rating is actually everything. And when somebody looks at your profile, the first thing they look at is your reviews and what are they. So in mine, I have 25 of them right now, 17 of which I actually got jobs that have not been rated, which means I could potentially get 17 extra reviews if I actually went about and messaged every single one of those people and asked them to review my particular gig. Now, on the other hand, this is a little bit more risky for you because now you're asking people who have not rated your gig, and it could be because they didn't like it, or it could be because they forgot, and you're taking a chance by asking them the question. So keep that in mind before you actually do this. Next thing that's equally important is the response time. You want to respond to every single question as fast as you can, because Fiverr does keep track of these stats, and when people see it's going to take you a very long time to respond, they're not going to actually send you a message. So if you're going away on a vacation for a week, definitely turn off Fiverr, because that's going to go against you with your response time. Plus, if somebody orders a gig and they want you to do something for them when you're on vacation, that's going to really mess up your orders as well. So don't do that. Another thing is response rate. So if somebody asks you the question, make sure you always answer them, and it really gives you a chance to respond to them within 30 days. So it really looks for, it also looks for one of the statistics actually looking for is how you respond to questions within the last 30 days. So if you responded right away in the last 30 days, then your stat is going to be up to rate right away. Orders completed. This is to make sure every single order you get, you don't cancel them. Sometimes you have to cancel an order if you made a mistake, or if somebody did a duplicate order and they bought your gig twice. So that does happen once in a while. So try to make sure there is not that many duplicate gigs, but this is a little bit hard to avoid. On the other hand, delivered on time. This is something you could actually work on, and you want to deliver the gig as fast as you can. So as soon as you get an order, you get a time clock that starts right away. So as soon as the time clock starts, you want to go about and deliver the gig. Now I have one gig that's actually pushing my whole stats down, because I need to get the actual product before I can start doing that particular gig, which means that it's actually dragging my whole statistic down for all my gigs, just because one of them is having an issue with. So you have to keep this in mind. Sometimes you might have one particular gig that messes up everything, and then you have to think twice. Should I actually eliminate this gig? Should I fix something in it? Should I do something different in it that's going to get me a lot more sales on Fiverr? So this is a few things you definitely have to do that's going to actually help you with your Fiverr and your Fiverr gigs.